Hey there YouTube, this is Michael of Michael Mays Leatherworks. Today I want to talk to you about a unique product I came across a few weeks ago on Facebook. The product's called the Ditto Grip. Before going any further, I want to thank Ditto Martin of 7M Cubed for sponsoring this video. You'll see his contact info on screen and you'll find it in the description below. Now, if you're like me, you love to tool leather. But I found after tooling for a while, the small shafts of the leather stamps make my hands cramp up pretty bad. And I've heard the same complaint from many others in this craft. I've seen people wrap tape around their tool handles, leather, and various other material to try to solve this problem. Although this solution may help some, for me, the Ditto Grip has taken all the pain out of tooling leather. I thoroughly tested these grips over a 6-week period so I could bring you an accurate and honest review. With that being said, let's review these grips. Alright guys, so these are the Ditto Grips as you'll receive them in the post. When you order these, you'll receive a set of 4 grips. There'll be a couple of stickers in the bag and an Allen wrench for setting the set screws. Quick look at the stickers. I believe that says K-Art. And then we have a 7M Cubed. Now this product seems like it's made of a hard plastic. I would assume it's turned out on a lathe. Each grip is fitted with 4 O-rings and 2 set screws, one on either side. The outside of the grip is smooth and it's comfortable to hold. It's not too big. But I did have one issue with the fit and finish of these when I received them. There was flashing left inside each of the grips from where the holes for the set screws were drilled out. This did get in the way of inserting the tool handle and I had to remove it using a small round file. It was the same for each of the grips. If the makers are watching this video, I hope they'll take note of that issue and fix it on their future orders. So how do you use these? What I like to do is just lay them out in a line and take a stamp like this one. This is a tri-weave basket weave stamp. And we simply just see, which one of these is going to fit the shaft the best. We can automatically roll these 2 out as they're way too small. Well, this one, it fits, but as you can see, we've got a rather large gap here. We try it in that one, and it fits it almost perfectly. You can see there's no gapping, there's no wiggling of the tool. So this will be the grip that we would go with for this particular stamp. What I like to do is kick out about 1/2 inch or so of the shaft from the top of the grip, and then using the provided Allen wrench, give about a 1/2 turn on each side. And then check your tool. See, I'm still getting some movement there. So again, I can feel it tighten down that time. You can see I'm not getting any movement. Now, one thing to be careful of is do not overset these set screws. If you do, they will dig into the side of your stamps and they will leave small gouges in them. I found that out the hard way when I first started testing these. So do keep that in mind. So now that the tool is fixed into the grip, I have a piece of veg tan here that I've been doing some practicing on, and we'll see how well this works. So as you were able to see, I was able to get 2 rows of that tri-weave stamped very nicely. They're lined up very well, and I got nice deep impressions. And you can see it didn't take me any longer to line that up as it would if I was using the tool without the grip on there. What the grip allows me to do is keep a very light grip, so I'm not trying to strain to hold on to it while I'm hitting it with my hammer. It really takes all the fatigue out of my hand when I'm doing this for an hour on a large piece. Like I said, I've tested this very thoroughly over a 6-week period, and I was more than impressed with the performance of these grips. And if you do a lot of tooling, I would highly recommend that you pick a set of these up. I do believe they're $50 for a set of 4. And I've really enjoyed using them over the past 6 weeks. But guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I would like to thank Ditto Martin again of 7MQ for sponsoring today's video. If you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you're notified when I upload new videos. Thanks guys, and be on the lookout for more videos to come.